fallout from Alabama Supreme Court's ruling that frozen embryos are children. The state's biggest hospital says it is putting all IVF treatments on hold while it sorts out the court's decision. Elizabeth Schulze joins us with those details. Good morning to you, Elizabeth.
Good morning, Robin. The decision from Alabama Supreme Court is quickly reverberating across the state's healthcare system, with a major hospital now stopping IVF treatments. Families tell us that they are confused, frustrated, and shocked that desperately needed fertility options could soon no longer be available in the state. This morning, IVF fertility treatments at Alabama's biggest hospital grinding to a halt after that unprecedented ruling by the state Supreme Court determining frozen embryos are children. The University of Alabama at Birmingham Health System saying in a statement, "We must evaluate the potential that our patients and our physicians could be prosecuted criminally or face punitive damages for following the standard of care for IVF treatments."
I never thought it would ever get to this point.
Thousands of families like Rebecca Matthews in Alabama caught off guard. After multiple miscarriages, they turned to IVF, freezing several embryos to maximize the likelihood of getting pregnant.
Without IVF, we would not have our two children.
Now, Matthews says they don't know what will happen to their remaining frozen embryo stored at another Alabama clinic.
The thing that's scary for us is if we choose to discard our embryo, could we be charged with something? Is that a criminal offense now? Is that murder?
Because Alabama's high court ruled frozen embryos qualify as people, anyone who discards them, which is a normal part of the IVF process, could now face criminal charges. For doctors and clinics, it's a legal liability that could force them to close their doors, a risk that reproductive rights advocates warned would be a ripple effect of the U.S. Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade.
Nobody has the answers of how do you navigate this.
Matt Clary and his wife froze their embryos and plan to start another round of IVF this summer at a separate clinic in Birmingham. Now, with so much uncertainty, they're contemplating if they need to go through the process in another state.
What I'm really concerned about, though, is could we legally retrieve our embryos?
You don't even know if you could move your embryos to another state without facing liability.
Yes. Yeah, that's the limbo that we're living in right now.
Legal experts say it's likely more clinics in Alabama will pause treatments, and groups in other states like Florida are already following Alabama's lead, arguing that frozen embryos are children. This case could ultimately make its way up to the U.S. Supreme Court. George.
Elizabeth Schulze, thanks. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.